Okay, so the things I'll start off with the things I like. And you set up, club face squared up behind the center of the ball. It's perfect. You know, club and ball position, club head and ball position are center of your stance for middle iron, no problem. Your feet are about the width of your shoulders. And I like, posturing's good. You got a good spine angle, little knee flex. Two things though is one, that right arm of yours and hand gets a little bit tight. And you can see, I can almost see part of your left forearm underneath your right arm. You can see the opposite here with me. You want to have your right hand and arm a little softer pressure-wise so you can tuck it in. If this right arm is tucked in a little bit, your shoulders would be lined up with your hips and feet and not open. Okay, if you're open, unless you're trying to hit a cut shot, it's tough to kind of square it up and release it from there. So if we can square the shoulders up, as how I mentioned the means, and to compress that ball better, which I talked about physically a little earlier, have the shaft and golf club angled or leaned a little bit ahead of the club head, minimally, so your body weight slightly favors your left side to hit down on it. A couple times your hands were behind the club head almost, and you end up going to sway or bottom out early, and that can cause bladed or heavy shots, right? So that's probably up to about a 7M. As you get in the middle length clubs, you can be more neutral, obviously, with your weight included. So from this position, let's watch how you take it back. Your club's going to go back from the ball, and you end up taking it back with your arms and hands. So you're setting it early, but that's what you need to do to soften that elbow. See that? Whereas when I go back, you can go back in one piece because the elbow's already angled set, right? So that's a little timing thing, a little hitch. So you pick it up, place it up over your shoulder, and get it in a pretty good position. Forearm's pretty straight with the left wrist as well, so good angling there. That enables the club to drop down on a pretty good approach path, and then you extend it back to the ball. But you can see how the club's almost is bottoming out before you hit the ball, so that might affect ball flight as well, or heaviness of contact. So from there, you do extend through into a nice finish position. I just believe by the things I mentioned in positioning, less moving parts means the swing that'll repeat and hold up more. And that's what the future is all about, to keep it consistent. Very good. We'll have a